In today's video, I'm going to share what are some common mistakes you are making while doing or advertising on social media or putting content on social media, right? So there are many potential mistakes that businesses make and even you make when advertising on social media. But I've just shortlisted a couple of them which are most common. So make sure that you guys avoid making them. Number one is not having a clear goal or objective for the advertising campaign. So it's important to have a specific goal in mind when advertising on social media, right? Such as increasing brand awareness or maybe driving sales. Or without a clear goal, it can be difficult to measure the success of your campaign. Number two, not targeting the right audience. There's like major mistakes everyone does. It's important to understand your target audience and niche down. Tailor your advertising efforts to reach them. If you're not targeting the right people, your advertising efforts are likely to be very less effective. Remember that. So third one is not using visuals or not using them effectively. Visuals such as images or videos can be extremely effective in grabbing people's attention and driving engagement. So make sure to use high quality full HD visuals that are relevant to your message and your videos. That should be all relevant to your brand. Fourth, not monitoring and analyzing the results of your campaigns. It's important to track the performance of your campaigns and analyze the data to understand what's wrong and what's not. And this will help you to make informed decisions about how to optimize your advertising efforts in the future. Fifth, not being consistent with your branding. It's important to maintain a consistent brand image across all your social media platforms and channels, right? This includes you using the same logo colors and overall aesthetic, everything. So be common and be consistent with each and every platform. Sixth one, not engaging with your audience. So this is very important. Like social media engagement is super important and you must actively respond to all your comments and followers and share it. And this helps in increasing loyalty to your brand. Seventh, not allocating enough resources. So social media advertising requires time, effort, and resources to be effective, right? If you don't allocate enough resources to your campaigns, it's likely that they will not perform as well as they could, So last but not the least, I hope you all love this video and please avoid making these mistakes in your social media advertising. I'll be back with a new video very soon. Thank you so much.